Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best dash cams. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the dash cams in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best dash cams on the market right now. Coming in at number 10, we've got the Roadhog Vision. The Roadhog Vision looks a little cheap, but its compact design packs some nice tricks. There's no screen, but Wi-Fi means you can use the free app to check the camera position on your phone. And also watch your favorite crashes, though rivals do this better. The 160-degree 5-megapixel camera gives a great view of junctions. Most are 120-degree, and its images are crisp. Constant loop recording means you never miss a thing, and event clips are saved to a folder on the 8GB card. Speed and location aren't shown, but you also get a mic for some YouTube gold. Number 9. Garmin Dashcam 55. The Garmin 55 is a fantastic little dashcam, which is more compact and stylish than most others on the market. It offers good video quality, voice control, and convenient driver assistant features. Plus, the small size and discreet design means we would feel comfortable leaving the camera permanently installed in our car. With a 1440p resolution, 122-degree field of view, GPS, and a 2-inch LCD, it's slightly older than others on this list. But that means you can get an excellent dashcam for a great price. Coming in at number 8, Yi Dashcam Mini. I must say, I love the design of this compact dashcam from Yi. It's probably my favorite form factor out there. You mount the lightweight camera to your windshield using sticky 3M, and once in place, it's incredibly discreet and subtle. This type of design doesn't usually include an LCD screen, but the Yi features a 2-inch screen, which is useful for reviewing footage, and easy to hit record button. The quality is fine, capturing a 140-degree wide-angle image in 1080p at 30 frames per second. If you need to provide detailed recordings of collisions that can be viewed anytime through the Yi Dash app. Coming in number 7, Mileview C330. If you want to test the dashcam waters before jumping in, this affordable model from MyO is a great place to start. The Mileview C330 will begin filming in 1080p at 30 frames per second as soon as you start your car. Video quality is good, although obviously not as good as the more expensive options on this list. The C330 comes with plenty of extra features, including safety camera warnings and built-in GPS tracking. That's particularly impressive given the price. The only thing that really lets this camera down is the night mode. It's not great. So if you do a lot of night driving, this one isn't for you. Number 6. Neckspace 222. The Neckspace 222 is a well-priced and smartly designed dashcam, which gets the basics right. It's small enough to fit neatly behind your rear view mirror, has a good-sized screen for adjusting settings and viewing recorded video, and comes with a smart magnetic mount. Those wanting more from their dashcams, like Bluetooth, GPS, driver assistance features, and more useful parking mode, will want to look elsewhere, but in doing so will invariably spend more. If you want a simple, no-fuss dashcam with full HD video recording, the Nextbase 222 is a solid option. Coming in at number 5, Garmin Dashcam Mini. If you're looking for the smallest dashcam possible, then you'll want the Garmin Dashcam Mini, which really is tiny and will fit comfortably out of sight behind your rear view mirror. Of course, the small size does mean the Garmin Dashcam Mini is a pretty bare-bones device. It does exactly what you'd expect it to, and no more. There are no extra features here, and it lacks GPS, but it does record excellent 1080p footage, and it's very simple to use. We found it very easy to use and set up, and for under $100, we think it's difficult to fault. Coming at number 4, Mileview J60. The Mileview J60 is a really neat little device with a compact body which manages to squeeze in a lot of technology. It's the sleek design that's key here, as the shape of the camera and small mount means it sits discreetly behind your rear view mirror. Despite its small size, the Mileview J60 has a sensor capable of capturing sharp 1080p footage at 30 frames per second with a wide 150-degree viewing angle. It's got a dedicated night mode as well, which ensures registration plates and small details are captured in most lighting conditions. The J60 not only captures clear video, it also features Wi-Fi for video playback and updating camera settings via a smartphone app, as well as GPS, which tracks your vehicle's location and speed. The Mileview J60 is packed full of safety features, although you know what we think about those, including advanced driving assistance system, lane departure warning system, forward collision warning system, and fatigue alert. If you decide to have these on, they can be turned off through the app. The dash cam will emit a beep if you start to drift over road markings or go over the speed limit. Number 3. Thinkware F800 Pro. The F800 is fixed to your car windscreen with sticky 3M tape, and there's no screen. You can essentially hide it behind your rear view mirror. We think that's the best place for them. The F800 comes with GPS tracking, lifetime safety camera and speed alerts, as well as safety warnings such as forward collision and lane departure awareness. Although, while these are marginally useful on dash cameras with screens, they are zero use without a screen. The HD video quality is good, and the night mode, now on its second generation, is very impressive. It's surprisingly sharp, and there's next to no noise. There's built-in Wi-Fi so you can connect to your smartphone, although we did experience some connection issues, and it looks very dated. The most interesting capability bundled in with the F800 Pro is Thinkware's new cloud service. This includes the ability to get notified when your car leaves a geofenced area or when an impact occurs to your vehicle. You can also use it to locate your vehicle when parked. These are potentially very useful features, but we found it very difficult to get them working, and from reading other reviews online, we're not the only ones. Coming at number 2, Garmin Dash Camera 66W. This fantastic little dash cam from Garmin earns second place on this list, with good image quality, a number of extra features, and actually quite attractive design. It's one of the most compact cameras here, so it takes up less windscreen space, and reassembles a GoPro, making it the most attractive as well. That might seem like a funny thing to say, but it won't look out of place in a Range Rover or Mercedes, while others on this list will. Despite being small, the Garmin 66 manages to pack in plenty of extra features, such as GPS and smartphone integration with the Garmin Verb app. There's also lane departure and forward collision warnings, as well as speed camera warnings. The former two are somewhat less useful than the latter. The mount is excellently designed with a small 3M magnet mount, making removal and placement of the dashcam incredibly easy. The downside is the slightly fiddly menu system, which is controlled by 4 buttons on the side and the inconsistent voice control. Number 1. Neckspace 522 GW. The 522 GW is a massively impressive dashcam, which not only nails the basics such as recording outstanding image quality, but also offers features never before seen in a dashcam. There's also impressive safety features such as Emergency SOS, which will alert the emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. This feature is potentially life-saving and is one of the main reasons we rate it as the best dashcam in 2019. That's not all, however. The 522 GW also packs an intelligent parking mode that records any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unintended. It's not just the impressive list of features that means this is the best dashcam. However, as we previously mentioned, The Nextbase 522GW is also a master when it comes to the basics. It records incredibly crisp, perfectly lit 1440p video. The click and go mount is a really neat solution, and its smartphone app, Neckspace, is the most polished experience we've encountered. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best dash cams. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.